What's the meaning of buttoned up? Buttoned up. Buttoned up.
Buttoned up. Buttoned up. The term buttoned up refers to a person who is very reserved, formal and restrained in their behavior, especially in showing emotions or opinions. Such an individual may come across as being unapproachable or difficult to engage with, as they tend to keep their thoughts and feelings to themselves. This trait often seen in people who are introverted, highly private, or anxious around others. Being buttoned up can sometimes be perceived negatively as it can indicate a lack of openness, spontaneity, or willingness to connect with others. However, it can also be seen as a sign of discipline, professionalism, and self-control.